In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom scoring in Attio. By the end, you'll have clean, reusable score fields you can use to prioritize records and power your reports. Start by opening Attio and heading to your Workspace's home. From there, open Workspace Settings. This is where you control everything that shapes your data model. In the Settings view, use the search box at the top and type Data. The search is the quickest way to jump straight to the pages you need without digging through menus. Click on Data to open the Data Configuration area. For this walkthrough, we'll work with companies, but the same approach applies to other records like people or deals. Select Companies to open its configuration, then go to the Attributes tab. Attributes are the individual fields that live on your records. For scoring, we'll create numeric attributes that capture points for specific signals. Keeping each signal separate makes your scoring transparent and easy to adjust later. Click Create Attribute. When prompted for a type, choose Number. A numeric attribute is perfect for scoring because you can sort, filter, and total these values elsewhere in Attio. Now give it a clear name so anyone on your team understands the rule at a glance. Type: Company size plus 200 = plus 10. This name describes the scoring logic. If a company has more than 200 employees, award 10 points. You don't need to set a default value. Leave it blank so it only gets a value when the condition is met. Click Create Attribute to save. Next, create another attribute using the same flow. Click Create Attribute again, choose Number, and name it. Located in target city = plus 5. This captures location-based intent, awarding 5 points when a company is in a city you care about. Consistent descriptive names like these keep your scoring framework self-documenting and easy to audit. Save this attribute by clicking Create Attribute. That's it. You now have 2 dedicated scoring fields on companies. One for company size and one for target location. Because they're separate numeric attributes, you can surface them in views, filter lists by score components, and combine them in dashboards or future logic without rewriting your model. A few best practices before we wrap. Keep names short but explicit, stick to one scoring rule per attribute, and use the same = plus X convention so values are instantly readable across your workspace. To recap, go to Home, open Workspace Settings, search for data, select Companies, open Attributes, and create number attributes with clear names like Company size plus 200 = plus 10, and located in target city = plus 5. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.